What if I told you there's a diet that could help you shed fat, boost energy, and improve mental clarity, all while eating your favorite meats? Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, looking in the mirror, and seeing a leaner, stronger version of yourself. The carnivore diet might be your key to unlocking this potential. Hey, meat lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of the carnivore diet. But before we start, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt frustrated with complicated meal plans and endless lists of foods to avoid? Well, get ready to simplify your life and potentially transform your health. Before we start, let us know. Have you considered the carnivore diet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content on health and wellness. First, let's understand what the carnivore diet is. It's as simple as it sounds. A diet that consists entirely of animal products. This means meat, fish, eggs, and some dairy. But hold on, a carnivore diet doesn't mean endless bacon cheeseburgers. It's about quality, not greasy fast food. Many people worry about nutrient deficiencies, but high-quality meat, fish, and eggs are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We'll explore that more in a bit. The concept of an all-meat diet isn't entirely new. Let's take a quick journey through time. Many indigenous cultures, like the Inuit and certain Native American tribes, have traditionally consumed diets very high in animal products. These groups often thrived on diets consisting primarily of meat and fish. In the 1850s, Arctic explorer Vilhjalmur Stefansson lived with the Inuit and adopted their meat-based diet. He later participated in a year-long study at Bellevue Hospital in 1928, demonstrating the viability of an all-meat diet. The modern carnivore diet gained significant traction in the late 2010s. Key figures like Dr. Shawn Baker, who wrote The Carnivore Diet in 2019, helped popularize the approach. Joe Rogan's podcasts featuring carnivore diet advocates brought mainstream attention to the diet. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube have been flooded with carnivore diet testimonials and before and after photos. While still controversial, the carnivore diet has begun to attract attention from researchers. Some small-scale studies and case reports have emerged, though large-scale clinical trials are still lacking. Benefits of the carnivore diet. Why go carnivore? Proponents claim it can lead to weight loss, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and even better mental clarity. Sounds exciting, right? But there's more to know before you start. Some carnivore dieters claim it's helped with chronic conditions their doctors couldn't solve. This is like a detox. Slowly ditch the processed junk and refined carbs. Your body will thank you. So how do you even start a carnivore diet? Here's a roadmap. Meat is the star, but don't forget about fish and eggs. Opt for grass-fed and pastured meats whenever possible, as they're packed with nutrients. Clean out your pantry. Next, don't forget about organ meats. Liver, kidney, and heart are incredibly nutrient-dense and can add variety to your meals. Here's a secret tip most carnivore guides won't tell you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Pay attention to how your body feels. Some people need more fat, while others may crave specific cuts of meat. Also, learn different cooking methods. Grilling, baking, and slow cooking can help keep your meals exciting. Quick tip: invest in a good meat thermometer to ensure your meats are cooked perfectly. You might be thinking, but what about vegetables? Well, let me tell you why some carnivore dieters believe you don't need them. Nutrient density. Carnivore advocates argue that animal products are more nutrient-dense than vegetables. They claim that meat, especially organ meats, provides all essential nutrients in highly bioavailable forms. Anti-nutrients. Some point to anti-nutrients in plants like lectins, oxalates, and phytates. These compounds can interfere with nutrient absorption and potentially cause digestive issues in sensitive individuals. Fiber myth. Contrary to conventional wisdom, carnivore proponents argue that fiber isn't necessary for gut health. They claim that many people experience improved digestion without it. Evolutionary argument. Some supporters believe humans evolved primarily as meat eaters, suggesting our bodies are optimized for animal foods rather than plants. Elimination of plant toxins. By removing all plant foods, carnivore dieters say they avoid potentially harmful plant compounds that might cause inflammation or autoimmune reactions in some people. Blood sugar stability. Without carbohydrates from plants, carnivore dieters report more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Now, it's important to note that these claims are controversial. Many nutrition experts strongly disagree, emphasizing the importance of plant-based nutrients and fiber. As with any major dietary change, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. But here's something to ponder. What if everything we've been told about the necessity of vegetables isn't the whole story? Could an all-animal diet really provide everything your body needs? The debate continues, and the carnivore community is growing. For your first week, keep it simple. Stick to basic meats and gradually experiment with different cuts and organ meats. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Transitioning to the carnivore diet can be challenging. Now, I'm about to share a few mistakes most carnivore beginners make. Are you ready? First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, eat enough, and consider adding electrolytes. Finally, not giving up too soon. You might experience some initial side effects like headaches or fatigue, often called the keto flu. This is normal and usually temporary. Here's a few quick tips. Bone broth is your friend. It's nutrient-rich and can help with hydration and electrolyte balance. What if I told you that the next 30 days could completely change your relationship with food and your body? These are the 4 stages you will most likely face in the 30-day challenge. Week 1, adaptation phase. Week 2, energy boost. Week 3, mental clarity. Week 4, physical changes. For long-term success, variety is key. Rotate different types of meats and try new recipes to keep things interesting. Stay connected with the carnivore community. Online forums and social media groups can offer support, tips, and motivation. But here's the kicker. The results some people see by day 30 might shock you. The carnivore diet isn't just about meat. It's about empowering your body with its natural fuel source. The potential benefits include boosted energy levels, say goodbye to afternoon slumps, stable blood sugar. By eliminating carbohydrates, the carnivore diet may help stabilize blood sugar levels. This can prevent the energy crashes often associated with carb-heavy meals. Nutrient density. Animal products are rich in B vitamins, iron, and other nutrients crucial for energy metabolism. Improved gut health. Kiss bloating and digestive issues goodbye. Reduced irritants. By eliminating plant-based foods, you may be removing potential gut irritants like FODMAPs, lectins, and phytates. Simplified digestion. Some argue that an all-animal diet is easier for the digestive system to process, potentially reducing bloating and discomfort. Gut flora changes. The carnivore diet may alter gut bacteria composition, potentially benefiting those with certain digestive issues. Healing potential. Some followers report improvements in conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. Weight management. Feel lighter and more in control. High protein intake. Protein is highly satiating, which may naturally reduce overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. Insulin regulation. By eliminating carbs, the diet may improve insulin sensitivity, potentially aiding in fat loss and weight management. Simplified eating. With fewer food choices, some find it easier to avoid overeating and maintain a calorie deficit if desired. Water weight loss. Initial rapid weight loss often occurs due to decreased glycogen stores and associated water retention. Enhanced mental clarity. Sharpen your cognitive focus. Reduced brain fog. Some carnivore dieters report a lifting of mental fog and improved concentration. Ketones for brain fuel. In ketosis, the brain can efficiently use ketones for energy, which some believe provides a cognitive boost. Stable blood sugar. By avoiding blood sugar spikes and crashes, mental energy may become more consistent throughout the day. Nutrient support. Animal products are rich in nutrients that support brain health, such as omega-3 fatty acids, choline, and B vitamins. Reduced inflammation. Some argue that eliminating plant foods reduces overall inflammation, potentially benefiting brain function. Now you might be wondering, is this diet right for me? The simple answer is, it's important to note that while many carnivore diet followers report these benefits, scientific research on the long-term effects of this diet is still limited. Individual experiences can vary, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. The carnivore diet challenges conventional nutritional wisdom, offering a unique approach to health and wellness. For some, it's been a game changer, providing relief from chronic issues and a new lease on life. Could it be the key to unlocking your body's full potential? So there you have it, understanding the diet, preparing, starting strong, managing the transition, and ensuring long-term success. The carnivore diet can be a rewarding journey with these simple steps. Are you ready to take the carnivore challenge? Comment below with your biggest question or concern, and let's start this journey together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more nutrition tips and challenges. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any new diet. Remember, your health is in your hands. Let's make every bite count. And remember to take care of yourself, all of yourself.